Lindapter's founder, Henry Lindsay, invented the Lindsay bolt adapter in 1934. Just 1 year later, it became the basis of the original girder clamp that remains central to Lindapter's product range today. In the decades that followed, Lindapter's versatile steelwork connections were increasingly used on many of the world's major structural engineering and construction projects. The business continued to grow as its time-saving solutions were adopted in diverse markets in more and more countries, until the worldwide demand for its products led to the company adopting a more global stance, when in 1986, it was renamed Lindapter International. Most of the product developments made by Lindapter engineers are designed to overcome the limitations of conventional connection methods by providing a faster alternative to time-consuming on-site drilling or welding. While other developments were born out of the ambition of seeking continual improvement, for example, enhancing existing products and developing additional products for certain applications. For instance, the Type AF was invented as a stronger alternative to Lindapter's original clamps and provides higher tensile or slip capacities, while the Type AAF offers a self-adjusting solution. The company has since expanded its operations globally, providing an independently approved and exclusive product range of steelwork, cavity, decking, support and floor fixings with an accredited quality management system since 1986. The Lindapter brand embodies a unique concept creating fundamental advantages over traditional welding or drilling, including on-site adjustability and the preservation of steelwork integrity and protective coatings. Manufacturing to the highest standard for almost a century, Lindapter has earned a multitude of independent approvals and a reputation synonymous with safety and reliability. Visit our website to find out more.